Salut class! Okay, we're going to continue today's live lesson with our asynchronous lesson with our bark material. All right. So today in 5th period, we're going to start off with a little team building option, and I'm going to go with question number 2, your favorite food. All right, so I want you can pause the video, think about your favorite food, write it down, and next time in class, we'll all share them in the chat. All right. All right, moving on. So we've gone through B, best effort, A, accountable, and we are going to cover in 5th period, respectful. So I want you to pause the video again and think about how can you show respect in a virtual classroom. All right, so we talked about this morning in our virtual class, in our live class, how different it was from being in our classroom in Renfro. So I want you to think of a few ways that in a virtual setting you can show respect. All right, and the list that we have come up with for respect is mute microphone until directed. So when a teacher or another student is talking, you are muted. Use proper text etiquette, right? So in our chat especially, we're not using all caps or sarcasm, jokes, all of that. Help others during group assignments. Resolve conflict peacefully. And raising your hand. And that will be helpful. We're going to talk about later on adding a Nod extension. It's a Chrome extension for Google Meets. All right. And if you came up with something that wasn't on this list, feel free to share it next time we're live or email it to me. Now we're going to watch this short video. While we're watching, I want you to think of these 3 questions. How many of these examples have you experienced during virtual instruction? Describe the effect of the don't behaviors on the virtual classroom. Are there other don't behaviors that were missed? All right. Give me just one moment, class. Here.
5 do's and don'ts of West End etiquette. As Shakespeare once said, to be. Shut it. To be. Any questions? Nope. Bad. Gross. So I wanted to show you guys the gopher holes that we've been finding out here. Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
All right, awesome. We're going to continue on. All right, so for Thursday's class, I want to make sure that everyone downloads the Google Chrome extension Nod, and this will help you. You can raise your hand, give a thumbs up, mute yourself. So you can just click on this link here, and I'll post this side. It'll take you to Google Chrome and the Chrome Web Store, and you will add this extension. There'll be a little blue bar right here. All right. Also, for Thursday, Make sure that you go to Google Classroom and you complete the Google form on Bark and a few other questions as well from our live French class. And gather your materials for French class as well. And let me know if you have any questions. Au revoir.